We back with another video. Today we just got a little chill, early morning drive for y'all. It's 6:04 right now, so we got a chill little POV drive. If y'all looking at the engine light, don't worry about it. It's the only thing that is it's because I had a exhaust leak. I already got that fixed. I just gotta get that. I just gotta clear that engine light, but I already got that other, so. If you seeing it, don't worry about it, we all good. But yeah, I ain't finna do too much talking on this video. I said we're just gonna be a light little POV drive, morning POV drive. And yeah, we're gonna get into it. That was like 10% throttle, by the way. I ain't seen a bug in I don't know how long. I didn't know people still had some things. I gotta take this stuff out of my center console, making all this noise. Alright, y'all, was looking like this is gonna be the end of this video. Like we finna hit traffic for a smooth little minute. But just a quick little POV, you know what I'm saying? Y'all let me know what y'all wanna see though. If y'all know of any upcoming car meets in the Dallas area, let me know. So I'm gonna definitely finna start popping out some more car meets and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.